To start off, Abbas, I wasn't really confident of the, about this program, which actually came up from your end. I was too skeptical in deciding whether I should take it up or not. But then it was always, lingering in my mind that, there should be something that I should be doing while I'm at home. And this was, a kind of boon to me from your end since you approached. And and I was, as I said, I was not very sure of the online classes till now or sessions which can happen. But every day that we started with the training was something which initiated my strengths, and it gave me a lot of confidence in taking up every task that you were giving. So practically, to be speaking, when even that presentation or a task that was given to us, I was putting my heart and soul to try to do something. That was motivating from everybody. Yeah. These sessions basically rebuilt all my skills. That's what I feel personally, because I've not been in touch with people around. I've not been doing any kind of connecting with people. It's been almost more than 2 years. I mean, 2 years, close to 2 years now. But I think these sessions have made me build that kind of skills which is coming out from my end. But apart from that, yes, it has. Every PPT that I wanted to do was something that I wanted to invent something new into it. But I admired people who have been doing it professionally, like Srilekha, who did it wonderfully. Of course, Priyanka, no doubt about it. She's always been doing the best from the day one, and her presentation impressed me so much. I tried my best, but I couldn't get to any level of those guys. Yeah, that's one thing. And of course, the SWOT analysis. Since I have not done my MBA, so I wouldn't be aware of it. But yes, I have gone through something which is very similar to that, and I'm sure I'll be working on that analysis basically from now on. Okay, and of course, as I said, these youngsters. To be very frank, I think I'm the oldies in the group as of now. I'm very admired by these guys and motivated from them. I think I should be doing much better later now. So that's a takeaway from my part, Abbas, and thank you so much. And this initiation I have enforced on Anil as well, because I know what his capabilities are, and you always lack that motivation from others, which I always have been doing it for him since we were together in Irample. So I said, okay, I will pull him also into it. So it's a learning for him as well. So I pushed Anil also to get into it. I don't know how benefiting it is to him. So he has to share his part on that. But yes, thank you very much, Abbas, because I don't know, it's something like, as I said, it's a boon to me from your end, which has cultivated some kind of skills in me and made me more confident now from day one to this day. Yes, I hope all of you agree with me on that. Very lovely to meet all of them from different field, and as I said, they are actually motivating me more now to get back into something and do something for others. Yeah, thank you so much, guys.